So we've got about 20 minutes to the opening bell. No trades yet so far today. I just don't see anything that looks really that interesting. So, I hate to say it, but it's just show me something that looks interesting. I'll trade it. I just don't see anything right now that looks good. Nothing's really moving. So if there's nothing to trade, there's nothing to trade. I had a no trade day yesterday. Back-to-back no trade days would be quite unusual for me, but can't force it. I mean, you could try to force it, but then you could end up having an unnecessary loss, which is probably why I don't usually have back-to-back no trade days. I'm much, much more likely to have back-to-back red days. Back-to-back no trade days, not as common. And I think that maybe speaks to a discipline issue on my side. So, as we sit here right now, I saw RMed come up and I thought, no, I don't like that. It's grinding. It's too slow. It doesn't look good to the long side. So I left that one alone, didn't trade it. By the way, S&P yesterday had a huge move. I mean, one of the biggest moves I've seen in the S&P possibly ever in one day, in 2 hours. I mean, that was incredible. So, long-term Roth IRA, all that stuff, all of that's going to be really happy this morning. But, short-term day trades, well, nothing yesterday, and nothing today. Although if I had stuck around, I could have traded the market yesterday, but that's not my strategy. So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm thinking this morning, leading gapper PAFO. There's nothing to trade there. It's a gap down. It sold off yesterday, and then it's coming up a little bit today. So there's nothing to trade there. The daily chart's kind of broken. We haven't had a really good trade on like a sort of this day two of a SPAC in a while. SPAC merger. We had PGY a while back, if you recall, but that was a while back. So anyways, PAFO no good. RMed no good. SONM not interested in that one right now. Too cheap. EGLX too cheap, OKTA too cheap, floats too high, HCM, this one floats too high. So we really don't have anything that's that great this morning. All right, well, the good news is that the last few days we've had some surprisingly big moves on stocks at the open. We've had a couple. There was a good one yesterday. There was a good one the day before. So I'll watch to see what we have at the open based on the high day Momo scanner. For those tuning in on YouTube, this is the Day Trade Dash platform. So you could use the Day Trade Dash platform as a Warrior member. You'll get access to the dashboard, or you could sign up directly at Day Trade Dash if you prefer. There's still coupon code. I believe it's Friday 30. Let's see if it pops up. So you've got monthly, annual, quarterly, and you could save 30% with the Friday 30 coupon code. So that is still going on over at Day Trade Dash. And charts, I'm beta testing, so these will be released probably not till January. Still working out some of the details of it, trying to improve performance. A couple little bugs that we're trying to work out. So anyways, charts are coming soon, as quick as we can get them out the door, but got to make sure they are working really well. TBLT, tough built, yeah, no interest in that one. So we've got a bunch of just sort of low volume, high float stocks. We need range. Yeah, absolutely. If we don't have range, then there's nothing to trade. Trading something with a 10, 15, 20 cent range. I want to trade things that have a 50 cent to $1 a share range. If it doesn't have the potential to go up 50 cents to $1, I hardly care. Hey, Manoli, good morning. PYXS has pulled back a little bit too much. You can't use stops pre-market, FYI. Yeah, that $2.5 million badge looks good. Good for you. Yep. 2 million, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Yeah, you definitely had a nice move on tops yesterday. I don't want to chase it though because it's hard to tell if this pattern's going to work. You've got this descending resistance line that's coming above here, but what I don't like is that yesterday's candle is it's a shooting star. I hope it works, but I don't have the conviction that it's going to. Chris, how much are the shares to borrow on Tops? Tops is up 30%, coming into $4, 415 resistance from yesterday. So resistance is right here at 415. Nice on tops. So each of the pullbacks has gone a bit higher. Pullback goes higher. Pullback goes higher. I'd like to see more of this action. What we've been seeing more of are stocks like this that pop up and then they reverse. They pop up and then they reverse. So this one's held up better than most, but it's extended now. All right, so we've got about 3 minutes to the open. So Warrior members, Day Trade Dash members, we're going to keep trading at the opening bell. Those on YouTube, I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Thanks for tuning in, as always. And I'll see you in the morning.